Hi, I manage a bunch of projects on my team and I have a group of vendors that work on those projects. In the past, my vendors sent me invoices via email. I would forward those invoices to accounting in order to get them paid, and I spent a ton of time in spreadsheets trying to figure out how we mapped against my budgets. Since I've started using AllocateIt, my vendors now submit their invoices to a single place, and AllocateIt manages the entire process for me. I always know how much has been spent on each project and whether invoices have been paid or not. As you can see here, I've logged into AllocateIt, and I have the dashboard which shows me all the invoices that have been submitted to me, and those have been approved and are pending payment. You can see that this invoice here is actually in a project, and this invoice is not. This invoice has been submitted directly to my email, and what I'm going to do is move that invoice into one of my projects. So I'll go ahead and open that invoice, and I'll click Move to Project. Now, this is a web design invoice, so I'm going to go ahead and move that to the web design project. One of the key aspects of AllocateIt is the ability to create projects that help you organize your spend. That project can actually be shared with two different roles. Well, the first role are the managers. Managers are people on the team who share responsibility for a project. And invoicers are those people who are submitting invoices to the project. I've already invited two different vendors to invoice this project, and I can invite other invoicers by clicking on the Invite Project Invoicers and providing their email. The benefit of inviting vendors to a project is that they can then invoice you directly into that project instead of your email. AllocateIt then rolls up all those invoices for you and other folks who are managing that project. Now, by returning to the invoice, I'm ready to approve, reject, or comment on the invoice. What I've just shown is that using AllocateIt, my vendors can submit invoices either to my email address or directly into my project, and by organizing my invoices into projects, my team and I can stay on top of both the invoicing process and my project spend. Thanks very much for watching.